Hello guys, I am Utkarsh, your host in this series Discover AI brought to you by the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we will be learning about the topic linking machine learning, statistics, and artificial intelligence. Let me first introduce you to the different terms that are to be described here. Machine learning is giving enough data to the machine that is to be trained. After training, if we give any test data to the machine, then it will try to predict the answer according to the rules formed during the training. Statistics comes into action when lots of data is provided and organization of data in such a way is required that it can be used to infer some useful information so that we can use the data to solve any business related issue. Artificial intelligence is the superset of machine learning. It is a concept to make machines intelligent to perform the tasks as humans do. Now let us discuss some use case scenarios of statistics in machine learning. Framing the problem is the first step in machine learning project. While framing the problem, we select the type of problem, for example, regression or classification. Statistical methods that can be used in the exploration of data during the framing of a project include data mining, which is the automatic discovery of structured patterns in the data, and the exploratory data analysis to explore different views of the data. Data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting issues with the data using the statistical methods. The process of reducing the scope of the data to those elements that are most useful and extracting irrelevant data for making predictions is called data analysis. Data sampling is a method to create smaller representative samples from larger data sets systematically. The process of selecting one method or model as the solution is called model selection. These help to quantify or give a numerical value of uncertainty of a result using confident intervals. This was all for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to go with ahead. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.